All like that. What?
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Let's do it. It's 3:10 a.m. It's raining throughout the trip from Delhi to Shimla, and it's windy here. So let's see from Shimla to Kaza by what time I can reach, and how many places we will have a halt till Nako, because Google Map is showing the road is blocked at 5 points. So let's see and let's move further. So it's 3:30 a.m. and many people are stuck. We are driving towards Kufri. It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning. So let's see how far we can go. Near about 6 a.m. in the morning, and yes, it's cold. It's snowing and it's cold. So let's see. Let me show you the number of the car. I don't know whether it will be visible or not. Yup, the 9009 Stallion. So let's go, let's roll and check what Rampur has for us, then we will move further. Let's do it. So now we have crossed Narkanda. We have driven throughout the night, as you have seen. It was a tough patch, snow all over. The car was drifting a bit. So I think we should move. It will snow again. भाई है टापरी में इनका ढाबा है, ठीक है, बस स्टैंड से थोड़ा सा आगे चल के लेफ्ट साइड में, और रक्षम डैम मतलब इसका मेन पॉइंट है। और टापरी में मतलब शिमला से लेके आप यहाँ पर आइए, और क्या जबरदस्त डिलीशियस खाना भाई साहब, दाल और कढ़ी का तो जवाब नहीं है। We are almost about to reach Reckong Peo. Just 16 kilometers behind Akpa is a bridge. It's raining since morning, and it's a beautiful bridge, very beautiful bridge indeed. And I can't let it go without taking a picture over here. So I have parked my car in the parking at Reckong Peo, and I'm going to my hotel, which is very much near to the bus station. The hotel name is Snowview. So let's go. So this is the view from the hotel balcony. So now it's 27th of January 2017. I'm at Reckong Peo. It's snowing since morning, and as per the locals, we don't stand a chance to go to Poo. So Khab and Spiti or Kaza is beyond imagination. So as it will snow for the next 2 days also, so it's not safe to stay here. So what I have decided to take a detour and go back to Narkanda or Mandi for another track. We will just calculate the situation when we'll go to Narkanda.